Look, listen, and repeat. Love. Love. Love is a wonderful feeling. To fall in love. To fall in love. My brother didn't expect to fall in love with her. Date. Date. They went on a romantic date. To ask out. To ask out. Tom decided to ask Mary out on a date to the restaurant. To flirt. To flirt. She tried to flirt with him. Couple. Couple. They are a beautiful and happy couple. To kiss. To kiss. Jack dared to kiss Jane on their first date. To hug. To hug. Marie and Tom often hug each other. To hold hands. To hold hands. This couple always hold hands while walking. To cheat on. To cheat on. They never cheat on each other. Break up. Break up. Sarah and Michael went through a difficult breakup. Proposal. Proposal. He got down on one knee for the proposal. Engagement. Engagement. They celebrated their engagement with a special dinner. Engagement ring. Engagement ring. Tom gave Mary a stunning diamond engagement ring. Wedding. Wedding. They had a beautiful outdoor wedding. Groom. Groom. The groom looks elegant in his suit. Bride. Bride. The bride looks beautiful in her white wedding dress. To get married. To get married. They want to get married this fall. Honeymoon. Honeymoon. After the wedding they went on a romantic honeymoon. Pregnancy. Pregnancy. Anna is in her third trimester of pregnancy. Baby. Baby. What a beautiful baby. Family. Family. I love spending time with my family. Anniversary. Anniversary. They celebrated their 25th wedding anniversary. Fight. Fight. All couples have occasional fights. Divorce. Divorce. They stayed friends after the divorce. Test yourself. What is it? Breakup, love, date, proposal. Date. What is it? To fall in love. Which picture shows an engagement? This one. Who is it? Groom. What is it? Fight, honeymoon, breakup, anniversary. Honeymoon. Which picture shows the action to hug? This one. What's in the picture? Pregnancy. What is it? Wedding, proposal, divorce, love. Divorce. Which picture shows the action to cheat on? This one. Who is it? Bride.